1,000 subscribers? Aw shit. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Started from the bottom, now we're still at the bottom.
Grand sponsor グランドスポンスのおたきゅうでお送りします。
Hey yo, what up? It's Blondie. And as you can tell from the title, we've hit 1,000 subscribers.
Count with me.
1,000. I'm not gonna count that. And neither should you. Okay, so I know it's not huge compared to like everyone else out there. That's what she said. But I'm still amazed that I even got to this point. When I started the channel, I just wanted something to look back on. Whether it be hanging with friends, capturing my cosplay on video, just so many things to reminisce and reflect upon. Never did I think I'd have a place where I can upload videos and have other people enjoy them. So I've been getting a pretty good amount of positive feedback lately. One of my favorite comments to read is actually this one. Dude, OMG, I've been trying to get into causing and cross, but I've never been able to push myself. Now that I've seen you in your videos, it's enlightened me and has given me more confidence and self-esteem to do it. Mainly what I'm trying to say is, thank you so much. At first I didn't know how to feel. I think the main reason is because I'm not really sure what I did to inspire you, but it's wonderful to know what I'm doing is making a positive impression in some people's lives. Spreading positivity, I'm a fan of that. Ironically, it takes a lot of balls and perseverance. You gotta man up when you rock that dress. Peeps say greatness was never achieved alone without struggle, and that's like almost for everything. If you really want it, you're gonna have to like roll with the punches and do your best to make it happen. Just stay safe when you do it. Yeah, you may run into a few fuck-ups. Yeah, you're going to have to deal with the social stigma of doing what you like. But fuck it. Seriously. Not seriously. Kinda. Literally no butt fucking. Don't fuck me in the butt! If there's anyone that you know whom is discouraged or reluctant to try crossplay, cross-dress out, and you think my video would be able to help them, go for it. I think it's pretty sweet that we'd be able to help someone possibly find what they may like doing.
The feeling of making you laugh, feeling of making you happy, feeling of making you smile.
Possibly even creeped out and disturbed or confused. Something we feel together. Thank you for subscribing. It's been a year, like, and some change ever since like my first video dropped. At this rate, I'll be over 100 if I manage to hit 100k subs. That's like Madonna status. So a couple of things. I created a montage for like all the outfits, all the mix and matches I did for this year. Most of them were just practice runs in regards to like doing makeup or like just styling the hair, the outfit. A great deal of them obviously didn't make a cut for a video, but it's just something that I wanted to share with you guys. Some of them you'll notice from previous videos, some of them will be completely new. It's just practice, I suppose. For those cross-playing, cross-dress, I cannot stress enough practice. And action. Also, this is me dancing for you. This dress makes me look pregnant. Yes, one thing. Want to battle me? Battle, 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 you, battle, battle. And eating omo rice. McNuggets.
So to all the subscribers, thank you very, very much. And for those who want to thank me,
You're welcome, bro. Just another few things. I know peeps want me to upload a bit quicker. I'll try and see if I can do something like on a weekly basis. It's just that for Omegle themed videos, creating the cosplay can get a little bit time consuming, and just outright purchasing it can get expensive. Omegle itself, it's just so spontaneous. You never know the person that you're going to be viewing will fuck with your humor and whatnot. But I'll do my best to try and deliver as constantly and promptly as possible. I usually went on Omegle for practice. The reactions was just something that was born out of it. However, if I do happen to run across something cool or fun, you'll know I'll have it up. Also, for other things that aren't crazy video related, if you guys want to follow me, you can catch me on Facebook, InstaSpace, Humpster, or Twizzledob. You never know, it's like sometimes I may post like a promo for like the next video that's about to drop and whatnot. Let me know what you think in the comments section if you have any thoughts or ideas of any videos that you'd like me to do, and I'll do my best to accommodate. Until then,
cheers, love.
I'll do my best to accommodate. Fuck you, king! Like, oh, you'll never know, like sometimes I'll post like... Fuck this shit, man.